Good morning and welcome to QR5 Cyber News. Well, we have lost our favorite space nerd Peter, who was last seen heading for the airport. I believe we have him live now, at the second annual Australian Space Cyber Forum in Adelaide. The Australian space industry is booming, and the security of space and the cyber defense of the space domain is the subject of today's forum. What can you tell us, Peter?
Thanks, Naomi. We're here live at the Australian Space Cyber Forum number 2, the second one. Some of the brain share behind Daniel Floriani and Andrew Bedwell from CyberOps. Two great leaders in this space have really been working very hard over the last couple of years to put this concept together. So your thoughts very quickly. Brian King was amazing, wasn't he?
Ron King.
Ron King,
yeah. He was great. Yeah, he was supposed to come last year, but because of the budget issues in America, but this year we got him here, which is fantastic.
Great.
And he works for the Department of Homeland Security in the US and has very great insight into the world's problems with space and cyber.
And fantastic, and Paul Scully Power, great
Australia's first man in space. That's right.
Payload specialist on the Challenger, mission number 41.
That's right.
So, of course, we had the tragedy on mission number 51, but he was on that 41 and showed us a photo and talking about the number of space assets are really going to increase tenfold in the next 5 years. So that was a couple of key takeaways. So thanks for joining us live here at the Australian Space Cyber Forum, and thanks Andrew and thanks Daniel. And have a great day, everyone, and we'll check in later this afternoon.
See ya.